Alright guys, welcome back to 𝖩force Gaming. And do you just got your iPhone and you want to upgrade your iOS to the latest version or even the iOS 27, the beta version that is going to be released but is not releasing soon, and you want to try it out for your iPhone, or basically you find ways to upgrade your phone to the latest iOS 27, or you're having like bugs or issue with your iOS 26 and you want to downgrade it to maybe iOS 18 or something. Alright, you guys can try out this really amazing software for yourself, because once I was like very interested in like trying out the latest OS by Apple, and I always want to try out the latest, even the beta version, but they come with a lot of issue and a lot of bugs that's affecting my daily life and daily usage of the phone itself. So this is the software that I recommend if you are looking to upgrade or downgrade your OS version simply without any data loss. And what is the software I'm talking about? Well, it is with the help of this software right here. So this is the Wondershare Doctor Phone. I'll be using this software for any of the iPhone related issue, and especially this thing can also help with my Android device as well, which is really amazing. So it's like an all-in-one, alright, iPhone and Android hospital, alright, for any needs that you need, alright, either like system repair, screen unlock, all this and that, you guys can check out this software right here. So this is a very advanced all-in-one software for everything that you ever need, alright. And personally use this, alright, to downgrade it back to iOS 18, or when that time the iOS 26 beta was out. I was like, eagerly, wanted the latest version, like the liquid glass, all this looks really interesting, and I just want to upgrade my iPhone. And when I upgrade to the beta version, I have faced with a lot of issue. My banking app is not working, and certain app is just glitching out, all this and that. So it's really troublesome for me. So I don't want that, and I just want to revert it back. And I came across this, and I tried it out, and it turns out really good. Alright, I can revert back to iOS 18, and everything works really fine throughout. Alright, I still keep some of my data, everything is still there, but with a lower grade of the iOS versions, which is really awesome. So which I'm sharing it with you guys right now. So right now I'm going to show you guys the software itself, so you guys can see what the features it have and how to do the upgrade or downgrade of our version. Alright, so you guys can see right behind me, this is the Wondershare Doctor Phone, and they have a lot of features over here right here. So you guys can see, alright, they have screen unlock, system repair, all this and that. They have literally every single thing that you ever need for your phone. Even if you're buying a new phone, you want to like phone transfer this, they all have it here, which is really awesome. But today we'll be focusing on how to upgrade or downgrade the iOS version, especially iOS 27 beta is out. So you guys can go to system repair itself, alright, and you guys can see, alright, when you click on that, just wait a while. Alright, they should prompt you want to repair your system for iPhone and Android. Well, they do for Android as well, which is really amazing. So you're getting the full package. Alright, but I'm going for iPhone itself. You guys can see they have a lot of things that they can do for the iPhone, which is really amazing. But we just go with iOS upgrade or downgrade. Alright, you guys can see there's two different options. You guys can upgrade your iOS. So you guys want to try out like the newest iOS 27 beta, you guys can try out over here. Alright, or if you guys want to downgrade your OS version, either you upgraded it and you find that hey, the beta has a lot of issues, a lot of bugs, all this and that, and you want to downgrade that, well, you guys can choose this version to downgrade back to your original OS version. So to upgrade and downgrade is actually very simple. Just click on that. Alright, just connect your iPhone to that. Alright, and it should download the firmware. You should detect your current OS, download the firmware itself, and do the upgrade for you. And after that, you guys will have the full version right over here. Alright, and after that, or just the phone should restart a bit of time, and after that you just log into your phone. You guys can see the newest OS version has been installed on your iPhone itself. So which is very simple, very straightforward. Just connect and just let your PC and basically let the software do its job, and after a while you guys can start using the new iOS 27 beta right away. So it's very simple, very easy process. Alright, you don't have to be really tech savvy, no programming needed. Just connect, click a few single click a button, follow some on-screen instructions, and you guys can get your phone alright with the newest iOS 27 beta. But on the other hand, if you find that hey, iOS 27 beta has a lot of issues, or probably like you're currently on iOS 26 but you still don't really like iOS 26, you still find it's a bit buggy for like maybe older phones, alright, because some newer iOS can be quite buggy or slow. They'll like slow down the phone itself on like older phone like iPhone X, iPhone 11 or 12. Alright, you guys can also downgrade it back to a lower OS version where you guys can have a more smoother and a better experience for yourself as well. And you guys can choose this downgrade of iOS version itself. Just click on that. Alright, it should detect your current OS, everything and that, and it should download the maybe the older firmware that you want it, all right, to be downloaded onto your phone. All right, and once you have chosen that, all right, you guys can just go ahead and click on download, and after that you will just install it on your phone. Just wait a few minutes. All right, for me probably about like 10 minutes. All right, for me, because I was using the iPhone 15 Pro, so it was like pretty fast. All right, but it depends on phone type itself as well. And yeah, after a while, it follows on screen instructions, pretty much the same as the upgrading version. All right, and your phone should restart, reboot, and you should get the older OS version that is already being installed by the software itself. So it's a very, very easy, very straightforward process. You don't have to go to any third-party service provider to do so. Whereas with this, you guys can do it comfortably at the comfort of your own home, and you guys can save a ton of money by doing so, rather than going back and forth and wasting your petrol, wasting your time, all this and that, and getting charged 3 to 4 times more than you are getting this software itself. So this is one thing that you guys can do at home. It supports Windows and Mac OS, and you guys can use it on your desktop or laptop, however you like it. So this is a very simple and very straightforward process. So you guys want to instantly upgrade or downgrade your iOS version, you guys can check out this Wondershare Doctor phone, and you guys can do it right away, all right, and without any issues with that. I've been using my downgraded phone, all right, for over like 5 months now, before the the iOS 26 that time was officially released. So I've been using the downgraded version itself, and it works really, really great. I can sign my own Apple account. The phone works excellent, no issue at all, no stuttering or errors, all this and that. All right, if you're looking for software that is safe, reliable, all right, and actually doesn't break your phone, because I saw a lot of software out there where people they review them and they say like, hey, this one breaks their phone, all this and that, and they're like complaining it on Reddit, all this and that. So if you want something that is safe, reliable, all right, and actually works, you guys can check out this Wondershare Doctor phone system repair, or you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this for yourself right now. All right, so if you guys can't wait and you guys want to start getting this software and start upgrading or downgrading your iOS version, well, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this Doctor phone Wondershare for yourself right now, and you guys can start downgrading and upgrading your phone right away this instant. All right, so if you find today's video really interesting, you guys can give it a thumbs up and comment down below what phone are you downgrading or upgrading to, and what OS version you are maybe upgrading to, and maybe what are you most excited about the iOS 27 beta and all those really cool features that's being introduced in Apple as well. So I'm really excited for that. All right, so if you guys want to try out the newer beta and that's not available in Apple right now, you guys can want to try out, you guys can check out this Wondershare Doctor phone. I'll link them, the first link in the video description down below once again, so you guys can get it for yourself right now. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. I find this video really interesting and really helpful, to give it a thumbs up. And this is 𝖩forcegaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.